So we're going to be changing an air filter on a 2009 KX85, my brother's bike. So first thing you'll need is your tools. So what you'll need, so we have these T-handle things. What size is it, 8? Oh, you need one of these T-handles. Just an 8 size socket. You need one of those T-handles or a ratchet and a 8 socket. So I can't see an 8 socket in here right now. Right there, but you don't need an 8 socket, a ratchet, or one of these T-handle things. Those work too. So first thing you want to do is take this bolt out and this bolt out. So my brother is taking out this side of the bolt. Just needs to take this side of the bolt out. Pause this here real quick. So then you want to pull the seat off. Just push it back this way. Then you should see the air filter. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. You gotta do that, and it's all over my finger. It's supposed to be bright yellow, but it's covered in dirt. Next thing you want to do, there's a little screw there you should be able to do with your own fingers. And be sitting there screwing it for a while, because it's actually a really long screw, long threaded screw. So 1 second. Okay, I did it. Now you're gonna want to pull it out. Shouldn't be too hard, just a little bit of effort. Yeah, see, that is a very dirty, very dirty air filter. Put this right here. What you also need is some foam filter oil. Change it, so then I'll just come over here and show you the other thing you need. You need air filter cleaner, which is just this. You spray it, and then you just wash it down with a hose or a sink. So I'll pause the video here until when he's done. So then you will want to get some water. Use your sink, you use a hose faucet, and you just wash it. It should just be like a rag. You can squeeze it around. It should be fairly easy. It's just foam. So yeah, you just wash it. Now, I don't know if you can see this yet, but it is turning yellow. Earlier, it was completely like black. So I'm going to pause the video again, wait for it to be done. Then I'll show you what we have to do next to put on it and let it dry. You're going to want to let it sit in the sun for a little bit or in the shade, but it'll dry slower in the shade. But once that's done, once you dry it, you want to cover it in a light spray in this stuff. So next we are going to be changing an air filter on my dad's bike, which is a Beta RS 520. And it's a what year is it? 2012?
Yeah.
Okay, it's a 2012, so it's weird. You take the seat off, you might be wondering where's the air filter, because there's a battery there. You gotta take the side off, which I just found out. There's the air filter, which is also very dirty. It's upside down. Let me show you guys. It's pretty dirty. There's a strap on it, which you want to take off. This one doesn't have a screw on it.
Nope.
That's different. Okay, well, this one you just want to pull this piece out because it holds it in. You just want to pull that out and you should be able to take it off. What you will also need is some grease. Now, where'd you put that grease, Dad? Okay, what you also need is some of this. I don't know if you can use anything else, but it's just waterproof grease. Now, just a blue thing. So what you want? So all it is a blue little grease, waterproof. What you do, you put it at the bottom of the air filter so it prevents anything extra getting in. This is pretty dirty. I'm riding earlier, but I did ride earlier. I will be posting that here soon. So that's the plan. But you also need some grease, some foam filter oil. Yeah, so there you go. We're going to do the same process here. We're going to use the air filter cleaner. So we're going to use the air filter cleaner. Do the same thing on this. There are these brackets in there attach it to the thing. So you take these out first. So this is this, and that waterproof grease goes along this black, just along that black circle. You just grease it really nice. Just, I don't know if you guys can see that, but you can just squeeze it to wash it like this. You can just sit there and squeeze it just like a sponge. Okay, well, I did try to change my oil, my filter on my bike, which is right there, but it didn't upload for some reason. So that's changing the Beta RS520 and the Kawasaki KX85. All right, peace.